I'm at Malacaris again. Don't forget to subscribe and you share and give it likes. If you like my videos. So Malacaris. I'm probably gonna have to put it on silent later on because of copyright issues. Yes. May I get some meat ends?
Meat ends.
Yeah.
Meat ends?
Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
That is not it. Let's see what we got over here.
Oh, thank you very much. Did I saw you walking a couple minutes ago?
You want all of them?
Yeah. I'll take all of it. Thank you. Thank you very much. The puppy was the puppy's been hungry all these days.
Hot. Yeah.
Oh God, yeah, 2 p.m. What time? 2:06. Wow. Yes. Thank you very much. Did I saw you going down Mid Street before? Oh, puppy's gonna be very happy this time.
Yeah?
Yeah. Did I saw you walking a couple minutes ago from Mid Street? Mid Street? No? Probably.
Yeah.
I probably thought somebody looked like you. I'm like, oh, I think that was her. Right.
No.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Chicken stuff, huh? Maybe let's go. Cheesy churros. place. It's private. It's public. It's public. Good, thank you. Don't run away. It's nice seeing two twins working together.
1072.
Who was I talking to the other day? You or you? About about the twins? Oh yeah, yeah, oh okay. Asking about the twins, right? Yeah. Yeah, oh that was you, okay. Yeah. Do you guys get to feel the same things? Like if you're far away you could feel what the other one feels and stuff like that?
Sometimes, like it's weird.
Really?
Maybe.
Really?
Yeah.
What about pain and emotions? The same also?
Probably emotions.
Yeah? You guys get to feel happy if one is happy, like, oh, my sister is happy because I'm like that?
Sometimes.
Really?
It is kind of weird, yeah.
That's nice. I heard about that. That's why I'm curious, you know? 'Cause
Yeah.
I heard about it. They say they could feel thousands of miles away. There was a show where they didn't know they were twins, but they were living in different countries.
And they could feel like that.
And they knew and then eventually they found each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, twins found each other later on in life. Yeah, it's amazing. That's amazing.
I know.
Yeah, from back in the 90s, if you look at it, it's probably online now.
Oh,
You know?
yeah, probably.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you. They were twins. Yeah, I read about it. Yeah. You guys get to, I'm curious, you know. How's it one?
I have to change it to my personal account.
One. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi, baby. My God. Oh, that's nice.